Everybody, I've been talking over the last few days or weeks for that matter, the importance of mortgage renewals. It hasn't been something talked about enough in previous years. And I really wanted to highlight a few things because unfortunately, more and more these days, banks, they're just not being very competitive with the renewal offers. And unfortunately, clients feel that because it's a quick sign back, that they're not really losing out on much opportunity. But in reality, we've got some fantastic promotions and some fantastic options elsewhere that could save you quite a bit, not only from a cash flow perspective, so your monthly payments, but the longevity of your mortgage. So the 5-year term, for instance. And I kind of wanted to highlight an example. So we just completed one, and here's the approximate numbers. I rounded up to an even the mortgage amount just for simplicity, but the breakdown is essentially the same. So let me share my screen with you guys real quick. And I want to show you the exact example that I am talking about. So right here, we have the client's existing lender, their remaining balance, what the lender was offering them. So they offered them 5.14 on a new 5-year product. The clients had 20 years remaining on amortization. And here's what it would look to be for monthly and annual, over the 5-year perspective. So $2,800 per month payment, 80 grand paid in interest over the total of that term. What I was able to do. So they came to me and said, could you do better? And I said, 514, yes, I could do better. So we found for them in particular, now I do have rates that are lower and I have some that are higher, but for them in particular, this product worked really good for them. So we did the exact same. We moved over 425 grand. No cost to the client to do this, other than the savings involved. Obviously, it's not really a cost. It's just there's no cost out of your pocket to move over on maturity. We got them 4.79%. We kept the amortization the same. Payment decreased to $27.44 per month, which is an $80 savings on their mortgage payments, but also $6,900 of interest saved over the next 5 years. Pretty decent amount, I have to say. And this was just for nothing else, just moving from one lender to the next when your mortgage is up for maturity. And, we took it a step further because we actually have the ability to, in some instances, depending on the client's need, we could further improve cash flow. Just because you have 20 years left, especially with the fact that rates have increased so much, we can decrease your payments further by pushing it out to a 25-year amortization if you wish, and get the exact same rate. And in this particular case, here's what we were able to do for the same clients. We ended up not electing for this option, but this was available for the same client. 425, 479 rate offered. We pushed it up. We could push it up to a 25-year amortization. We are now looking at 24.21 per month. That's a $400 per month savings. And although they're not saving as much interest because we've pushed it out, they're still $4,500 ahead than their banks offer. So all in all, we've got fantastic products, fantastic options. Please reach out before signing back on a renewal because there's a very good chance that we can help out and improve on your situation. That's all I have for now, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're always happy to help.